GM 3.6. You just take that plug out, get you a pipe, weld a nut on the outside of the pipe so I can tighten it up. Put your little hose on there. Got a little pump out of a parts washer, bucket of oil. Got the drain plug out. She's sitting there pumping oil from the tensioners. There's one tensioner. There's the left-hand tensioner for that chain, and then you got the other tensioner right there. You got oil running all the way out of there. We're pumping her up. She's in time. There's one mark, two mark. There's those two marks. You got your chain mark there, chain mark there. You look through there, the black one. There's the one on the oil pump. Pain in the ass.